Did you know that average person wastes over 2 hours a day procrastinating? Imagine what would you achieve if you took that time back. Join me as I challenge myself to beat procrastination for a week and unlock my true potential. Procrastination. It is one thing standing between us and our goals. Whether it's putting our work, skipping workouts, or avoiding important tasks. Procrastination is the silent thief of productivity. But what if you could break free from its grasp and its grip? In this video, we are diving into the psychology of procrastination, uncovering why do we do it, and more importantly, how to stop. If you ever have felt stuck in a circle of procrastination, this is for you. Let's unlock your potential and turn your goals into reality. So, why do we procrastinate? For many of us, it comes down to three things: fear of failure, feeling overwhelmed, and lack of motivation. Fear of failure can paralyze us. We worry, what if I try and it doesn't work out? Overwhelm makes tasks seem insurmountable, so we avoid them, and lack of motivation, well, that's a vicious cycle of waiting for inspiration to strike. But here's the thing: procrastination doesn't just delay tasks, it delays progress. It holds us back from personal growth and living up to our full potential. So, what can we do about it? Let me share some practical strategies that helped me and many others during my 6-week long challenge to beat procrastination. Number first, time management. I started by using the Pomodoro technique, working in focused 25 minutes interval with 5-minute break. It kept me on track without feeling overwhelmed. Number two, set clear goals. Instead of vague goals like be productive, I created specific actionable tasks like write 500 words or clear my inbox. Clear goals reduce decision fatigue. Number three, eliminate distractions. This meant turning off notification and keeping my workspace clutter-free. I also used apps to block some social media during my work session. Number four, reward yourself. To stay motivated, I promised myself small rewards after completing tasks, like a coffee break or watching an episode of my favorite show. Number five, accountability. I told a friend about my goals for the week. Knowing someone else was keeping tabs pushed me to stay consistent. By day 3, something clicked. I tackled a task I've been awaiting for weeks, completing a project proposal, and the feeling of finally getting it done absolutely liberating. Here's what I realized: procrastination isn't about laziness, it's about mindset. When I shift my focus from avoiding tasks to taking small, manageable steps, everything changed. I felt more confident, productive, and even inspired to take on bigger challenges. So, what's the takeaway? Overcoming procrastinations starts with understanding why you are putting things off and taking simple steps to break the cycle. Remember, manage your time effortlessly, effectively. Set clear, actionable goals. Eliminate distraction. Reward yourself. And finally, stay accountable. Procrastination doesn't define you, your actions do. And it's never too late to take control over your time and unlock your true potential. Now it's time what? Now it's your turn. It's your time. What's one task you have been putting off that you would tackle today? Let me know in the comments. And if you are looking for more ways to boost productivity, check out this next video. Let's crush procrastination together.